Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss the most important topic is Biology MCQs part 2nd. The Okazaki fragments are found on option A leading strand, B lagging strand, C both strand. The correct option is B lagging strand. The microorganism used in the production of Swiss cheese is option A Saccharomyces, B Penicillium, C Propionibacterium. Correct option is C Propionibacterium. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. Bt cotton is genetically modified to resist option A fungal infection, B bacterial infection, C insect pests. Correct option is C insect pests. The term green revolution is associated with option A increased milk production, B increased food grain production, C increased fish production, option D increased meat production. Correct option is B increased food grain production. Which of the following is an degraded endangered species in India? Option A lion, B tiger, C blue whale, D great Indian bustard. Correct option is D great Indian bustard. Industrial mechanism in moths is an example of option A genetic drift, B artificial selection, C natural selection, D mutation. Correct option is C natural selection. Who proposed the theory of natural selection? Option A Lamarck, B Darwin, C Mendel. Correct option is B Darwin. Hybrid vigor is observed in option A hybrid plants, B pure lines, C wild species, D clones. Correct option is A hybrid plants. Which of the following is an example of passive immunity? Option A vaccination, B breastfeeding, C infection recovery, and option D none of these. Correct option is B breastfeeding. Which of the following is an example of homologous organs? Option A wings of butterfly and bat, B forelimbs of a wheel and bat, C wings of birds and insects. Correct option is B forelimbs of a wheel and bat. In RNA, a nitrogenous base thymine is replaced by option A uracil, B cytosine, C adenine, D. guanine. Correct option is A. uracil. The unwinding of DNA during replication of done by option A. DNA polymerase, B. helicase, C. ligase, D. primase. Correct option is B. helicase. In a monohybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio in the F2 generation is option A 1:2:1, B 3:1, C 9:3:3. Correct option is B 3:1. The Amazon rainforest is an example of option A biodiversity hotspot, B desert ecosystem, C grassland, D tundra. Correct option is A biodiversity hotspots. Amniocentesis is used to detect A. genetic disorder, B. gender of fetus, C. birth weight, option D. all of the above. Correct option is A. genetic disorder. The most widely used contraceptive methods in India is option A. copper T, B. condoms, C. oral pills, D. vasectomy. Correct option is B. condoms. The concept of use and disuse was proposed by option A. Darwin, B. Mendel, C. Lamarck. Correct option is C. Lamarck. Semi-dwarf wheat variety was introduced by option A. Charles Darwin, B. Regan Mendel, C. Norman Borlaug. Correct option is C. Norman Borlaug. The functional role of a species in an ecosystem is called option A. habitat, B. niche, C. community, D. biome. Correct option is B. niche. Thank you for watching my videos.